Union County is one of the fastest growing counties in the state of North Carolina. Situated in the south-central Piedmont area of North Carolina, the population is estimated at more than 202,000 with approximately 643 square miles of land. Union County was established in 1842 when it was formed from both Anson and Mecklenburg counties. Its name was a compromise between Whigs, who wanted to name the new county for Henry Clay, and Democrats, who wanted to name it for Andrew Jackson. Union County consists of 14 municipalities, each with its own distinctive character. Monroe is the charming southern seat with an 1886 Victorian Italianate courthouse surrounded by stately homes and tree-lined streets. Union County provides a unique blend of rural and metropolitan lifestyles. While having vast areas of nature untouched by development, it also has areas flourishing in suburban and industrial growth. The primary factors contributing to Union County's economic growth are agriculture, business, and industry. Union County is home to the 6th largest public school system in the state with more than 39,000 students. Wingate University and South Piedmont Community College are also located in Union County. Union County functions under the Commissioner-Manager form of government with 5 commissioners elected countywide with an appointed county manager. Union County's more than 1,000 employees work together to provide quality services and programs that affect the daily lives of Union County residents. Recreational activities abound in Union County. Athletic organizations throughout the county offer activities for children and adults alike. The county's largest recreational facility is Cane Creek Park, with 1,050 acres of land surrounding a 350-acre trophy bass lake. The Museum of the Waxhaws is a regional attraction dedicated to the history of the Waxhaws region and the memory of our nation's 7th president, Andrew Jackson, who was a native of the Waxhaws. Each year, Union County residents flock to events such as the Queen's Cup Steeplechase in Mineral Springs, Waxhaw Spring Fest, and the Union County Christmas Parade. With all it has to offer, Union County is a great place to live, work, and raise a family.